Have you ever wondered how people get these fantastic highlighters around their mouse, which basically allow you to let your users know exactly where your mouse is at any time? So this called emoji mouse. Now it's more than just highlighting. You can also switch on this emoji that pops up every time you say something. So as you can see, it's creating all these weird emojis which are supposed to be there to keep you glued to the screen. So you can actually change how often these come by click on seconds per AI prompt, because this actually works with AI, and AI listens to me talking, and then based on what I say, it creates an emoji. So that's another thing that I'm actually demonstrating right now. So as you can see, it's creating this is around it. Now I want to show you a function here in this amazing software which literally is just can do absolutely anything you can think of with your mouse. So right now I've gone to the mouse tab, clicked on cursor, I've uploaded this file. It's a logo, it's my logo, and then I'm going to select a hotspot, and it's going to be this point right here, and that's where I'm going to click OK. And if you notice, now my mouse has changed into this. So now I'm branding my my cursor with my logo, which is absolutely incredible, because what that means is that when I'm demonstrating this software to you, you can see the logo of the software as my cursor, which is absolutely incredible. Now, apart from being able to create emojis and have this highlighter around the mouse, this one that I can switch on and off. Apart from all of that, it's also an annotation software which allows you to kind of draw on your screen and annotate over PDFs, annotate over slides, whatever application you're using. So if I click on the paint tool right now, I'll be able to actually scribble on my screen. Now, the great thing about this, you can also create lines, arrows, circles, and squares. Now you can modify the colors by over here, and you can change these presets and make them your own so that you can easily access them just by hovering. You can also create a white screen, and that way you can really show your users and explain concepts. Now it's more than just an annotation software. You can actually drop images on the screen. If I click over here and upload a few images that make sense for me in my specific case, so if I just highlight all of these and then upload them, I've uploaded 9 images. Now when I click here, I'll be able to actually drop these on my screen. Now this is absolutely fantastic. When I'm annotating and explaining things, I can literally move this, shrink it with rolling. You know how you roll your mouse and make it bigger and smaller? This can also be an image of something that I'm trying to explain. So if, for example, I try and upload an image of one of the screenshots of something that I'm trying to explain. Let me show you an example, actually a real example, because in this software you have 3 options of how you can have the mouse create emojis. One of them is to let AI decide everything, like I'm doing right now. Right now I'm set on this option right here. AI is deciding any emoji that's coming up on the screen. So you see the thumbs up, AI decided that. We also have the offline rules, which is keyword based option, which will choose the emojis that pop up based on specific keywords you say. And then we have the pre-selected emojis, which is a little bit complicated. We'll leave that one out for this specific tutorial. But as you can see how easy it is for me to explain this concept using this software. And when I want to delete everything, I either erase one at a time by clicking the undo button, or click the eraser button and just go like that. Or if you want, you can just click the bin button and it deletes everything in one go. Now, it also has an OCR. OCR means it's a software that can read text from images. If you click on that, it can actually read text. So if you actually wrote something on the screen like hello, let me just scribble hello, and then click OCR and then kind of highlight that, you might actually get the text hello. All right, didn't do such a great job this time. It's better with actual text written by a font. I forgot to tell you, you can actually write on your screen like hello using the actual text tool over here, and then you can enlarge it by again rolling the mouse, and this is very convenient. After you've written it, you can rotate it, shrink it, move it, or bin it. And lastly, you can actually choose the actual font that you like in the draw section of the tabs. You can change the default font, choose from any of the Google fonts which you love, and then when you click text, it says it's in that font. You can also change the color on the fly. Goodbye. Fantastic. That basically sums up more or less the functionality of Emoji Mouse. It's the perfect software for anyone who needs software to explain, to create tutorial videos, to annotate, if you're using Google Slides or PowerPoint presentations and you want to show exactly what you're doing and you want to keep your viewers engaged and not leaving. It's perfect. This emoji edition is fantastic. It will keep people glued to the screen. Grab a copy. It's free to use for most of the functions. Actually, all the functions are free for a while. So grab a copy right now. See you soon. Thank you for watching.